Now all of you come towards work from home project for the month of June. As we have done before for the month of April and May, we covered few questions and that were from unit number 1 and 2. Now in work from home project for the month of June, the questions are related to unit number 3, Qaid a Great Leader. First of all, you will make a title page like this and you will give the heading of work from home project and June. You will write June, right? And on the top of the page, towards the right side, you will write the date. Writing date on each and every page is compulsory. After this page, you will move to the next page and you will make the title page for unit number 3. Qaid a Great Leader. Theme for this unit is role model, because Qaid was our role model. This is how you are going to make the title page for unit number 3. You will draw an outline like this as I have drawn with the marker, and then you will give neat and clean heading. You will write the theme and you will draw the sketch. You can draw the sketch of Qaid-e-Azam as well. So the first question in your work from home task is about that: consult a dictionary and find out the meanings of the following words. This is how you are going to write the question. Then you will underline it. If you are writing the question with the black marker, so you will underline it with the blue. And if you are writing it with the blue marker as I have written, then you will underline it with the black marker. Remember students that presentation makes your work neat. It gives it a very neat look. And it is easy for you people to understand the question as well. So now here are 10 words that are given to us and you are going to find out the meaning of those words. The first one is ferocity. Ferocity means the state of being frightening and violent. The second word is remind. Remind means cause to remember. Determination, it means firm or fixed intention to achieve something. Then you will go to next page. Crowd means a large number of people collected together. Robber means a person who robs something. Cheering, a shout of applause or encouragement. Violence, the use of physical force so as to damage or destroy. Foreign, situated outside a place or country. Stretched means to extend, and dignified means expressing dignity. This is how you are going to do your question number 1. Then is question number 2. Question number 2 is select any 10 sentences from unit 3 and translate them in Urdu. Unit 3 is the same which we have just read it, Qaid a Great Leader. Then this is how you are going to attempt the translation question. You will do it in the copies in your notebooks like this, and in the same way you are going to attempt this question in the examination as well. Understand? You are going to enclose the first statement in a box. First you will write the English statement and then you will translate it into Urdu as it is done over here. Same way you are going to do it in your notebooks as well as in your examination as well. First to step out of the aeroplane was a tall, dignified man wearing a pure white sherwani. हवाई जहाज़ से सबसे पहले कदम निकालने वाले एक दराज कद और बहुत ही बावकार शख्स थे जिन्होंने खालिस सफ़ेद शेरवानी ज़ेब तन कर रखी थी. The second statement is, for here was their great leader Qaid-e-Azam, the founder and the first governor general of their new country. ये उनके अजीम रहनुमा कायद-ए-आज़म थे जो उनके नौज़ायदा मुल्क के बानी और पहले गवर्नर जनरल थे. He remained calm and serious and sober. वो खामोश, संजीदा और आराम से रहे. Then number 4 is, perhaps He was thinking of the millions of people who had become homeless when India and Pakistan became separate countries. शायद वो उन लाखों लोगों के बारे में सोच रहे थे जो भारत और पाकिस्तान के अलग अलग बनने के बाद बेघर हो गए थे. The fifth statement is there was much in those days of violence to sadden. जिना. उन दिनों जिना को अफसरदा करने के लिए बहुत दंगा फसाद था. So, today we have done the 5 statement, although the question was that translate any of 10 sentences, but we have done only 5, and the remaining parts we will be doing it in the next video lecture. Okay, so dear students, complete your work very neatly without any spelling mistakes and try to follow the same pattern as I have done for you people. Thank you.